everyone, welcome to Simple Charm Living. Today I will be making the Joanna Gaines Dutch oven lasagna from her, let me see which one this is, from her second volume too. So we're gonna go ahead and start making this, kind of like you're making like a ground beef, and then we make the lasagna with it. All right, this is the ricotta, cream cheese, and eggs and mozzarella mixture. So that's gonna be, I kind of just mix that together. Here's the meat that I'm gonna go ahead and start to separate. So I'm gonna reserve 2/3 and then start building the lasagna. Here it is coming out of the oven. It says to rest for 30 minutes, so we will check it back in that time to see it all set together, and we'll cut a little piece and give it a taste. There it is broken into, just like a little tiny bite beforehand. That is very good lasagna. In the Dutch oven, it was very good. This might be my second time making lasagna. If you have a Dutch oven, definitely try to make this recipe. It is delicious.